Hi everyone, today's headlines. Countrywide vaccination drive today. State COVID-19 tally 12,039 and 2 more dead. Anini headquarters in Arunachal gets its first bus service after 73 years of independence. Norway reports deaths related to Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Mahindra Group registers interest to seek COVID-19 vaccine for employees. US warned India against acquiring Russian S-400 missiles after putting sanction on Turkey. New UK COVID-19 strain, 114 people infected in India so far. News in details. Countrywide vaccination drive today. India is all set to roll out the world's biggest vaccination program on Saturday with over 3 lakh healthcare workers to be inoculated on the first day of the much anticipated drive against coronavirus, which the center said is probably the beginning of the end of COVID-19. A total of 3,006 session sites across all states and union territories will be virtually connected during the launch at 10:30 am by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and around 100 beneficiaries will be vaccinated at each session site. State COVID-19 tally 12,039 and 2 more dead. Nagaland COVID-19 tally rose to 12,039 after 4 new cases were reported on Friday, 2 each in Dimapur and Kohima. 2 more fatalities pushed the death toll to 88. Health officials stated that 2 patients succumbed to the infection in Dimapur district. Further, the distribution across various categories include 4,659 cases from the armed forces or police, 1,849 returnees, 4,959 trace contacts, and 572 frontline workers. Anini headquarters in Arunachal gets its first bus service after 73 years of independence. First time in 73 years of India's independence, a government bus has reached Anini headquarters, Dibang Valley district in the state of Arunachal Pradesh near Indo-Tibet border. Sea of change visible under the leadership of the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, said the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu. Pema Khandu informed about the flagging off of the government bus service between Roing Anini 233 km today. This is the first time in 73 years of India's independence a government bus has reached Anini Dibang Valley near Indo-Tibet border, he added. Norway reports deaths related to Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. In a disturbing news coming ahead of India beginning its mass vaccination drive from Saturday, Chinese publication Global Times Friday said that health experts in the country have called on Norway and other countries to suspend the use of Pfizer mRNA-based COVID-19 vaccine after at least 23 deaths were reported by the local news outlets. As of Thursday, Norway has reported 23 deaths in connection with the vaccination, the report said. So far, 13 of these have been assessed. Common side effects may have contributed to a severe course in frail elderly people, the Norwegian Medicine Agency posted on its website. Mahindra Group registers interest to seek COVID-19 vaccine for employees. Diversified Mahindra Group on Friday said it has registered interest to seek COVID-19 vaccine for its employees as per priorities and sequence to be specified by the government. The farm equipments to aerospace conglomerate said it would take the responsibility for the inoculation of its employees rather than have the government subsidize them. We have registered our interest to seek vaccine for our employees in accordance with the priorities and sequence to be specified by the government, a Mahindra Group spokesperson said in a statement. The spokesperson further said, "We believe it is our duty to take responsibility for the inoculation of our employees rather than have the government subsidize them." India is all set to roll out the world's biggest vaccination program on Saturday with over 3 lakh healthcare workers to be inoculated on the first day of the much anticipated drive against coronavirus. US warns India against acquiring Russian S-400 missiles after putting sanction on Turkey. The US has told India it is unlikely to get a waiver on its planned acquisition of Russian S-400 air defense system, raising the risk of sanctions similar to those imposed on Turkey for buying that equipment. People aware of the matter said. The Trump administration has been telling India to drop the $5.5 billion deal for 5 missile systems and avoid a diplomatic crisis, saying New Delhi did not have a wider waiver from 2017 US law aimed at deterring countries from buying Russian military hardware. That position is unlikely to change under the Biden administration that takes over next week, and that has promised an even tougher US approach towards Russia. The people aware of the discussion told Reuters, speaking on condition of anonymity. New UK COVID-19 strain, 114 people infected in India so far. As many as 114 people have tested positive for the new UK variant of SARS-CoV-2 in India until Friday, said the Union Health Ministry. The ministry further informed that the situation is being monitored carefully and regular advice provided to states. The government had earlier said that patients of the new strain are admitted in a single-room isolation at the designated healthcare facilities by respective states. Their close contacts have also been put under quarantine, and comprehensive contact tracing has been initiated for co-travelers, family contacts and others, it said, adding that genome sequencing on other specimens is going on. Flights from the UK have resumed from 8 January. Passengers will have to undergo a RT-PCR test both in the UK before boarding their flights and after arriving in India. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.